Hello everyone, welcome to Exynos Star channel. Today I will be unboxing and then also reviewing this large content of this box. Actually, you already know what it is based on the description of this video. It's this Cadillac state limousine used by the US president. This was produced by CMF. I already have a couple of CMF models. I have some of the previous old Lincoln state limousine. Then I also have our Senate, which I have not reviewed until now, but I have it. And now I have this United States car for the president. So now let me directly go in and open it. Yeah? So it's in black color, of course it is, and it should fit into my limousine collection. So yeah, it's actually, the box is very big, and maybe I will just pull out the content here, the styrofoam box which is inside. Okay. Cool. So we have the styrofoam box inside, and what is interesting, we have small flags. So I will just show it to you. Yeah, so you can see them here. It's this American flag and the presidential flag. They are exactly the same like I had on my previous Lincoln from 1975. I don't remember the year, sorry. And now we also have here a tape which I need to somehow cut, yeah, or just remove it. No, I think I need to cut it, yeah. And there are also two screws. Okay, so I have my tool here. Let me cut it with this one. Okay, here it is, and wow, it's quite long, impressively long. Yeah, the windows are quite dark, not really transparent, and it really stinks like this resin, yeah, or some glue. It's really synthetic and it stinks. Disgusting, guys. But the car looks good, yeah? So we need to keep it on fresh air for some time and then it will be okay. But now what I really need to do is unscrew it so that I can remove it from the box. I have this screwdriver here, okay, so let me do it. Okay, it was quite simple, only two screws. And now, again, okay, let me maybe show it to you like this. I want to take it out now. Oh, wow, it's heavy, super heavy, super heavy. Okay, so let me clean this box, take it somewhere else, and now put this on the stand. And I think it's so long that maybe it will not fit there. Yeah, it's actually it's too long, yeah, so I wanted to show you how it's rotating here, but somehow it doesn't fit. Okay, so particles of styrofoam, particles of dust. What else do we have? Oh, I don't know, this car is somehow, it feels almost like a bus if we really check how long it is. Very long indeed. The front wheels, they do not turn, they at least rotate. The same with the wheels in the back, yeah, so I can spin them, but other than that it's a resin replica, so nothing can be really moved and nothing can be opened. it's fully closed. What we can only do here is to add some of the flags, but then, yeah, it's actually... Also the pieces here, like this fender here, the stripe, it's just painted. It's not really a separate piece, it's just gray paint. We have here the lights. Okay, the lights, yeah, it's just average, I would say. It's very, very long. Actually, inside, it looks like they paid attention to some of the details. We have the seats, we have the steering wheel, we have all the details. It's all made in wood. And then, yeah, the wheels, it looks like it's real rubber. Okay. And what else is so interesting? Okay, the side mirrors are quite wide, I must admit, quite huge, because the car overall is quite huge. I think the side mirrors are bigger than on the normal Cadillac. Okay, what else can we see here? My favorite part is always the front grille, so let me maybe now stop rotating of this turntable for a moment. Okay, so now let's focus here on the front. Oh, it's still... No, it's not turning anymore. Okay, that's fine. So what we have here is actually... Let me put it a bit closer here. We have this nice emblem, this Cadillac logo. It could be maybe better than just a sticker. It's a sticker. Then we have this license plate, quite nice. The front grille, it's a nice separate piece, photo etched technology probably. Yeah, it's really perforated, very nice. So this front grille is very nicely done. The headlights, also nice, but maybe I see a bit of glue here. Yeah, so if you really see here from the side, you would see it's a bit yellowish, and I think this is the reason, because they used some glue to put it there, and I actually can see some small reminders of the glue. So the lights, I would say, are far from perfect. It could be much better. Okay, so that's the... Oh, what is that? Actually, okay. So I just checked the wipers, and they are done really, like, I don't know. It's... Look at that. The wipers, they are there, but they are so tiny, so narrow. It doesn't look like a real wiper for such a big car. They are so, I don't know. I don't think that they are 1:18 scale. It's like, I don't know, 1:24 scale. Just a different scale for this car. Yeah, they are so tiny. I don't think it's correct. The door handles, a separate piece, nice. Yeah, so they are very nicely done. What else can we see here? Oh, this presidential logo, and also the side windows. So guys, thank you very much for watching this episode. It was quite a short video, but recently I don't have so much time to do very serious videos with all the details. Yeah, so be glad that at least I'm shooting something now. Of course, I still have this buying fever, or how to call it. Yeah, it's a disease when you buy new models, and they are releasing always new models, so you always are in this mood when you need to buy more and more. Okay guys, so actually that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this episode. It was my pleasure to introduce you this Cadillac State Limousine. Next time maybe our Senate, maybe something else. I have now quite many models in the pipeline. But I don't have time to review them. I'm so sorry, but yeah, it's actually my choice. Yeah, so shooting videos, it's not what I do every day. It's just some kind of relaxation. And today, that's it. So thanks for watching. Now the final rating of this one. Thank you and bye-bye.